The donkey actually eating my food. They're hungry. Everyone have to eat.
Everyone has to eat.
You see that?
Yes.
I literally put down the food and the donkey eating it.
No, that's only funny because it's not me. I keep tearing that down.
All my life growing up, I thought donkey only eat grass, sugar cane, and vegetable. These donkeys in Grand Turk, they eat burger, chicken sandwich, fish, you name it. They are so tame and friendly. All across the island, you can see visitors and excursions stop just to take a quick selfie with them. It's okay, one. Guys, welcome to Caribbean Vibes Adventures. I just purchased this Oxtail and put it down just to get some content, and this is what happened. Look at them eating up my Oxtail.
Beach chairs, beach umbrellas right this way. Come on down. Hello, you guys gonna need seats, chairs, and umbrellas today for you and the family. Comes with free Wi-Fi and discounts on your drink.
You ladies need some seats right down by the water.
Beach chair complimentary, come with free Wi-Fi. Discount with drinks. Caribbean Vibes family, what go on? Welcome to beautiful Grand Turk. I go check out the jerkman on the beach today. See what I'm have on the menu. A lot of visitors on the beach. Kids are still on summer holiday. Hi boy, what's up? You know, whilst I'm in the place, I have to come and check out the restaurant, man.
How are you?
Hi, princess.
How are you?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Hanging in there, beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
Amazing.
Hello.
Caribbean Vibes family, this is my princess.
Yeah. Oh, you're so kind.
Boss man.
You're good, you're good.
What go on?
Yeah, man, blessing.
Yeah, man. One Caribbean, one connect, man.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Brother, what go on? Yeah, man, what they on the menu today?
Jerk chicken, oxtail, barbecue ribs, fried fish.
So that's a special for today?
Yeah, that's the
Oxtail.
They come for 2 stars.
A lot of persons waiting. Bad chef. Think me I got some oxtail today, guys. Peace officer them a pass through. Alright, so big up a peace officer them. Yeah, respect man.
Respect.
Jamaica in the house man. Respect man. Respect man. One Jamaica, one Caribbean man. Brother, when you finish, fix up one nice oxtail for me, eh? Big boss, what go on, man?
Everything cool, brother.
Yeah, man, respect, man, every time, man. The food speaks volume for itself. You see all these beautiful ladies waiting.
I'm okay, thank you. Can I get a water with mine?
Enjoy your meal, ladies.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mind that, bro.
Oxtail, coleslaw, and yellow rice. For $20.
All right.
Cheaper and the beach. And it's very good too.
Talking about the authentic way.
Yes, sir.
Right on the beach front of Grand Turk.
Yeah, the yellow place.
Ladies are diving in the meals.
I want to try that. Both can share with me. Oh, do I get one side or two sides? One side? Two sides?
Yeah. Solid meal. Are they eating until not tomorrow, the day after? Eh?
That's a solid meal, bro.
Solid, eh?
Yeah, man. Fish looking good, man.
Exactly, yeah.
Fried plantain, rice and peas, mac and cheese, coleslaw. I mean, I tell you, say, the price worthy.
Worth it, yeah. Solid. Yeah. That's what we talk about, eh? Real food, eh?
Caribbean food.
Yeah. Now this American shit, eh? Real food, eh? Not burger, pizza, hot dog, KFC and all this shit. They're talking about real food, eh?
Fresh catch fish from the ocean.
You understand? The rice is good, the flavor, the texture, or the plantain, the texture, very nice. One love.
And I bush me go and sit down. The shed too hot, the sun a melt down there. Come in the bush. Mash up the yellow rice. Oxtail a fall off a bone. Food tastes good, man. Visitors taking pictures with the donkeys. You can adopt one of them. Guys, look at that. The donkey actually eating my food. They're hungry. Everyone have to eat.
Everyone has to eat.
You see that?
Yeah?
I literally put down the food and the donkey eating it.
No, that's only funny because it's not me. Yeah, he's tearing up though.
What's the guy there? The donkey, yeah? Yeah?
It's okay, one.
Guys, you think it's a joke? The donkey actually eat up every single one of the plate. Up for adoption. You can pay them back home. I don't know, man. Give them to USDS. You see these two donkeys, they are bad donkeys. Bad donkeys, you guys eat up my entire oxtail with the rice. Awesome. You like it? Beautiful sunshade.
I was right under the shade enjoying my meal, but because I saw the females taking pictures with the donkey, so I said let me go and get some of the content with the females taking pictures with the donkeys. Putting down the food on the table, I never realized that the donkeys, there were more than two donkeys. The donkeys just kick off the food off the table and eat every single thing out of the plate. And the only thing they leave is the oxtail bowl. This guy want to come on to authentic Jamaican meals. He's right there, I'm telling you. Are you ready to go back home? You're not ready yet, right? Tell mommy and daddy you're not ready to go back yet. Tell them, say mommy, I'm not ready.
What you eating?
But guess what? It's almost school time for you.
I don't have school.
You don't have school? It's almost school time. I think next week, right? Next week you guys is back in school. How your trip, my bro?
It's great.
Yeah, are you ready to go home?
No, never. I never want to leave.
I know, you should think about booking a cruise that goes to Jamaica.
That's where we're from.
Yeah, Jamaica?
Yeah.
Which part?
My family from Montego Bay. My wife, they from Negril.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm from Negril, bro.
Oh, really? My wife, she over here somewhere.
Yeah?
She over here somewhere.
Yeah. I didn't know that you're a Jamaican.
Even her too.
Yeah? Hi, princess.
That's my daughter. Her mom from Ireland.
Yeah. I didn't know that. It's a small world, man.
Oh.
Yeah, respect, man. Oh, today is our Independence Day too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, August 6th.
You're gonna fly there?
Of course, it's home.
Yeah,
it's
we're gonna
home.
stay there, yeah.
For me, as a product of Jamaica, I will never trade it for the world, bro.
Right, sir.
Come on, one Jamaica, man, one connect. Happy holiday, man.
Happy birthday,
So,
Jamaica.
yeah, we are cheers to it, you know. Real local spot where you get the best jerk chicken, oxtail, escabeche fish. I can't say I enjoy my meal because as you see the donkey eat it all off, bro, but thank you for the hospitality, man. Respect. I see you next time, brother. Guys, I cannot say I enjoy my meal because the donkey eat off all my meal. You see, these donkeys, they are so famous. Welcome to Grand Turk, the donkey infestation island. These two donkeys, they are so bad. You know what they did to me just now? I purchased my meal and put it down trying to get some content. The next thing I look, the plate is on the ground. Every single thing eat off. I'm gonna file a lawsuit with them. These donkeys, they're all over the place. Tourism is one of the biggest income to Grand Turk. You can see the locals renting umbrellas, doing hairs. It's always good to spend my own money with my own local people. One-stop shop where you get your local souvenirs. Guys, I will catch you in my next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notification so whenever time I uploaded a video, you will be the first to receive it.